Most restaurant owners think they know exactly how much a dish costs. The truth is, most don't. That mistake could be costing you thousands of dollars every month. I'm Anand. For over 15 years, I've been building software that helps businesses improve the way they operate. During the last 5 years, I've worked with hundreds of restaurant owners, chefs, consultants, and catering businesses, helping them improve food costing, pricing, and daily operations. I kept seeing the same problems over and over again. Recipes are stored in spreadsheets. Ingredients prices change every week. Nobody knows the real cost of a dish. Menu prices are based on guesswork. And by the time someone realizes profits are disappearing, so I took everything I learned from working with restaurants, every conversation, every spreadsheet, every piece of customer feedback, and built one platform, Mise, a complete operating system for understanding your food costs and making smarter business decisions. Everything starts with the dashboard. Instead of digging through spreadsheets, you immediately see what's happening across your business. Keep every ingredient in one place. Track suppliers, store purchase prices, update costs in seconds. Ingredient prices never stay the same. Mise keeps a complete history so you always know what changed and when. Build recipes once. The system calculates ingredient costs automatically. If a supplier changes a price, every recipe updates instantly. Stop guessing your selling prices. See your real food cost, gross profit, margin, and know exactly whether every item on your menu is actually making money. Running multiple restaurants? No problem. Manage different venues while keeping everything organized in one place. Import invoices. Update ingredient prices. Keep your costing accurate without hours of manual work. Powerful reports help you understand where your money is going, identify expensive ingredients, and make better purchasing decisions. Mise wasn't built in isolation. It was built together with restaurant owners and consultants solving real problems every day. If you're tired of spreadsheets, uncertain food costs, and pricing your menu based on guesswork, I'd love for you to try it. Start your free trial today and see what your menu is really making. Your recipes shouldn't just taste great, they should be profitable too.